Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go to the settings application, and right here you will see the sound section. Now you can see here the media volume, the call volume, ring volume, and also alarm volume. You can change the volumes of these sounds, rings, or the alarm volume. Now we can see here the vibrate for call switcher. Just to turn on the vibration when someone is calling you, just tap here on the switcher, and if you wanna turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. Now we got here the don't disturb option. Don't disturb for calls with the SMS, or you can turn on this function just by tap here. Also we got here the phone ringtone. You can change the phone ringtone. Also we get here the advanced set options. We got also here the notification sound, the alarm sound. You can change them, just here tap to these sections, and now you can select here one from the sounds. Now as can you see, we got here the dial pad tones. If we will turn on the switcher, you will just hear the pad tones while you will call to someone. Okay, one more time. As can you hear right now the pad tones. Now we'll just go back to the settings. Okay. Oh my god. And for example, we get here the screen locking sounds. If you will turn on this function, you will hear the sounds when your screen is locked, but like this. Now we'll go back. We'll turn off this function. Also you can change turn on the screenshot sounds. Well, when you will make the screenshot, you will hear the sound. Also we can just turn off the touch sounds. Okay, when you will touch some, I don't know, open some application on some section, or just you will type something, you'll hear your touch sounds. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe our channel.